was asking for a chance, and I see you getting all right, you can't understand. Hey.
Went from Angel Town to States to a bigger state, probably.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matwire and I own a 2017 BMW 340i. Today we're just gonna drive around and do a little POV drive for you guys and just see what we can get into, to be honest. I'm not gonna say it's a Hellcat hunting video, because every time I post a video titled Hellcat hunting, you guys are always in the comments like, you didn't even race a Hellcat. Yeah guys, that's the whole point of Hellcat hunting. We hunting. But anyway, if we find a Hellcat today, then so be it. But if not, let's see what we can get into. This Mustang pulled up revving. It's always the Mustang. This man got a drag pack too. Homeboy just turned into Walmart, so I'm gonna just turn around and go back on the highway. I actually think it's about that time for me to go ahead and get some Mickey Thompsons on the back. I know I've been talking about it for a while, but right now, with the way my car is set up, I can't even catch traction, so there's no point in getting, you know, the additional fueling that I need to make more horsepower if I can't even get traction as it is with my current setup. But yeah, I definitely think it's time for that. There you go, right there. E90 M3. Alright, we're in the Summerlin area. Anyone that knows anything knows Summerlin where it's at if you want to find some nice cars, so hopefully. Yeah, it is. Oh, this is not the exit that I wanted. This is not the exit that I wanted. Oh, yes, sir. What he got back there? He got an M, baby. Looks like an X5, and that is clean. Look at that. I told y'all, not even 2 minutes into being in Summerlin, I already got an X5M just pulling up. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to be on this side of town, but I'm broke. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the dream car right there. Hey, bro, don't try me. Don't try me. He got his wife in the car like, honey, I can't let him disrespect me like this. Me personally, I wouldn't take that. We gon' have to bust that UE. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on now. Come on now. Damn. Oh, what was that? What was that over there? Oh, it's not it. Oh, it is an M. Damn. Turn your ass around. Let's see if we catch up to him. Andale, andale, andale. Toyota Sienna. What you doing, bruh? I got places to be. M's to be. Ah, damn. I hope I'm not spinning like this when I pull up on homie. Yes, sir. We about to pull up. Pull up. What's up, bro? I like your car. I like yours too, brother. Appreciate it, man. So he was a real cool guy, but he didn't want to race. I mean, that's okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm just out here trying to have fun. I'm not going to bash someone because they don't want to race, you know? I think we got one, boys. We got an SRT in front of us. Aw, yeah, you gonna make me cut across traffic like this, bro? That's how you gonna do me? But you see, he just cut that person off with no regards. He drive crazy. I like that. That means he's probably about it. So honestly, we just gonna fall in on some non-creepy shit. It's not looking like no Hellcat to me. You feel me? It's a Daytona, bro. You wanna run it, bro? No? Not trying to run it? No? Okay, okay, okay. Check this out, check this out. If we could get some room to run it. Oh, you want to run it? Alright, let's get it, let's get it. Call it, bro. He ain't about it. You gonna have to honk or something, bro. This man ain't about that shit. This man really not about it. This man's all the way back there. I passed him like 3 times. Whatever, I'm not gonna stay on this highway though, cause I know there's hella traffic, so I'm about to try an alternate route. But y'all, I know I've been ghost for a while. I had a lot going on. I had family visiting, my son's birthday, and just there was a really a really busy portion of my life, and I just really did not have time to make a video, edit a video, and upload. So I do apologize, but hopefully from now on, now that, you know, family's gone, my son's birthday's over, I can kind of get back into the groove of things and start posting more often. All right, y'all, so I'm actually at the car wash right now, in the automatic touchless car wash, because I'm actually on my way to this little meetup and cruise. So for those of you that don't know, here in Vegas, we just had the SEMA show. Unfortunately, I was unable to go to the SEMA show, but they are having like a little after party SEMA, you know, ride along cruise. So we're all gonna meet up at a 7-Eleven right now. So after I get my car wash, I'll head over to the 7-Eleven and then we'll go on a little cruise. This is ridiculous. Like, we're meeting at this small ass gas station, but there's like no room anywhere. I'm gonna give me one. I'm gonna give me an M2 watch. Like, I think I want an M. Well, I know I want an M, and that's exactly what I'm leaning towards. I'm leaning towards the M2 because they just look so clean. They got hella cars out here, like all back there. Crazy. But check out where I'm posted up right here. There you go, baby girl. Park right next to the dumpster. But I'm about to go take a look around and see what else is out here. Yeah, we like that. This is where all the rich folk are right here, I see. Got the McLaren, Lambo, and all these Teslas souped up. My Beamer gang over here, look at these. Nice G series right here with an E30. Oh my gosh, man. I need me one of these one day. They said the Misc spot was the gas station. Well, there's the goddamn gas station. Ain't no way. Damn, I love that color on this car, man. This looks like Fresh Kick's car. Is it Fresh Kick's? I don't know what he looks like, to be honest. But that's definitely Fresh Kick's car, right? Am I tripping? I could be. This shit's clean. I need some white wheels on the BMW. What y'all think? White wheels would look good on the 340? All right, we're all about to head out and cruise to another location. But we're kind of like stuck here. I've been stuck here for probably like 20 minutes now. Everyone's revving, you know, shooting flames up the back of their car. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see on my story all over. It was all over. Everyone was shooting flames. You can still hear it.
Before they were buying. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys.
What the hell? And kind of Doom Boogie? Hell nah, bro. You better tighten up on that.
Up at TMZ, I used to want a GMC when what was
No quema, güey. Oh shit, I'm about to go. So the cops ended up showing up after everyone started doing burnouts and donuts and all that. But I can't hear nothing. I think it's a good point in time to wrap up this video. So just like that, that wraps up today's video. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing if you guys like content like this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me out tremendously. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop until you reach them. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way. Later on she'll probably get a name change. People changing on me like they gained weight. I wish that I waited on the same